how a Platinum Hydrafacial is done. The first step involves a lymphatic drainage. This removes the toxins and reduces the puffiness, especially around the eyes. So the next step is cleansing and exfoliation. So a blue tip is used for this. It has the Vortex cleaning action or the Vortex technology, through which the actives are delivered inside the skin to remove the dead skin cells and the sebum while gently opening your pores. The next step is application of chemical peel. Now, depending upon the requirement of the skin type, a different combination of glycolic and salicylic acid is used, and for this we are using a teal tip. So these peels are non-irritating, they are gentle yet effective. The purpose of this step is to loosen the deep pore debris. The next step is extraction, where the device uses strong and painless Vortex vacuum suction to remove the blackheads and impurities from your pores. These impurities collect in a cup which are discarded later. Then you can see we are applying a brightening mask. This is left for 15 minutes. So this helps in infusing the actives and retention of the moisture. The next step, with the help of a clear tip, we are infusing the boosters into the skin. Here we are using the booster called as Dermabuilder, which improves the elasticity, texture and firmness of the skin. Also improves the smooth fine lines and wrinkles. The next step is using the LED light. So here we are using the red light and the blue light. Red light has anti-inflammatory effect and anti-aging. The blue light has anti-bacterial properties, thereby it helps in reducing the active acne as well. Lastly, the skin surface is saturated with antioxidants and peptides to maximize your glow. So this is applied again with the clear tip. So this helps to detoxify, rejuvenate and hydrate your skin.